Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's morning time for you. It's 7 a.m. So I want to do my quick little week update. I want to do a weekly update for this week. This week was like 60-40 for me, 40% on the good side and 60% on the not really, I won't say bad side, but like, yeah, not a good side. So on Monday, both accounts were both on like 3% drawdown. Yeah, they were both in drawdowns, but I took a trade on Euro USD and JPP USD. We were both a sell trade, and I won both trades. I made $600 and I was up 10,300 on both accounts on Monday. So that was a good start of the week. But on Tuesday, guys, I took another trade on Euro USD and gold. So I lost the Euro USD sell and I lost the gold sell. Later in the afternoon, I took a buy on Euro USD and I made $100. So that was like 1 win, 2 losses, which I broke my rule. I was not meant to do that, guys. It's only meant to be 2 trades per day maximum, but I took 3 trades that day. Basically, I over-risked on Euro USD. For the gold trade, I would have made like $300, but because I already over-risked on Euro USD, so I took out the gold trade immediately. That's why I made it. I was so sure of the gold trade, but when it now went to a little bit of drawdown, I took it out. I was like, you know what, instead of just waiting for like bigger losses, I just took it out. But immediately I took it out, it went straight to like $300 in profit, even more than that. And I also took a Euro USD buy. It was take profit. But if I didn't take out my gold profit, my gold trade, it would have been a win on Monday and a win on Tuesday, even if I lost 1 trade on Euro USD. And on Wednesday, August 20, I took a JPY sell. I lost the trade. I over traded on Wednesday too. I took Euro USD sell, lost. USD card sell, lost. So basically I over traded on Wednesday. I don't know why I did that. Funny enough, like the trades I took on Wednesday were like, I followed my rules, like technical analysis. I waited for the last 6 parts to be complete, and that's like my candle confirmation. I got my 30-minute frame candle confirmation, but the price action was not following. Like, how can you make lower low, right? I waited for pullback and it just went straight up, like not even because of news, like it just didn't. Price action just switched, like change of character. So the sales that I lost on this Wednesday, it was not because I was just trading them blindly. I followed my rules every time. Throughout this week, I followed my rule. The only thing I didn't follow was that I was over trading. But each trade that I took, they were like analyzed, like fully analyzed. So if I'm losing those trades, they're just like technical, like systematic loss. It's not because of emotional loss or anything. Like, I was not emotional this week. I really wanted to pass this account this week. But yeah, the Euro USD trade was like, if I'm looking at my phone, that's because I'm looking at my journal, because I've started journaling my trades. I like the improvement. I can see like my improvement for the week. I can see where I'm making a mistake for the week. But yeah, the confirmation was good, but the price action didn't follow through. On Thursday, I was so determined not to overtrade. I waited for my confirmation and I made $200 on gold. It was a gold sale. I stuck to my rules. I waited for candle close. I waited for pullback, and my discipline paid off. But on Friday, I messed up everything. Traded multiple pairs, and basically I lost $350. And now I'm in drawdown. Like, I was up on profit on Monday. I was on up 3% profit. Now I'm in drawdown of 5.5%. But to be fair, this week was really good. I was still able to keep the account. If I wasn't following any rules, I'm very sure I would have blown the account. but this week was like so good. I was able to keep the account. I want to follow my rules strictly next week. Let's see how that goes. Like, I really want to follow my rules strictly, and let's see if I'll be able to pass the account next week. And so basically it was good on Monday and on Thursday because I followed my rules. Like, I didn't overtrade. When I was up 200, I took it out. So basically solid win. But it was bad on Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. I broke my daily loss rule and I was over trading. So if I didn't break those 2 rules on those 3 days, I will be up like, let's say, 400 by now on the account, even if I lost some trades. So lesson of the week is stick to my daily loss next week, $200 per day. Overtrading is what is causing this drawdown now. Like, I overtraded on those 3 bad days. And yeah, my analysis was good. Like, even if I was like overtrading and I risked, I still stayed with my risk management, like $200, I would still be up. But because I was overtrading, like, the analysis was good, like, but I didn't follow the risk management. Like, even if there was some systematic loss, but I didn't follow the risk management, that's why I'm in drawdown. But next week, I cross my fingers that I'm going to follow my rules next week. Like, I cross my fingers. Like, yeah. And that's it. And I hope to see you guys next week. I'm going to go from minus 5% drawdown to profit. And bye.